Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI Nova Y90, and today I'll show you how we can insert SIM and SD card into this phone. So to get started, you'll need to grab a SIM eject tool. I have one right over here. They usually come provided with the device in the box, so you can get it from there. But you could also use a paper clip, straighten out one on the ends, and it should work just as well. And to get started, apart from just the paper clip or SIM eject tool, you want to take off a case if you have one on your phone. And from there, find a tray which looks to be located at the bottom of the phone, so right over here. And it looks like this will only take a SIM card actually. Let's see. Yep, it's just a SIM card. So unfortunately, you cannot insert a SD card in here. So just gonna grab just a SIM, and you want to place it with the chip side upwards so it's visible, like so. And you can place the card on either side because it's a dual tray. You can obviously occupy both of the slots at the same time as well if you wish to. Now from there, we're just gonna insert it back into our phone, like so. And the card should start working immediately. Now, because this is HUAWEI, I assume once I unlock it, it will luckily not change the language, which is surprising. Could be that it already has done that in the previous, but I will quickly go over this for people that might right now have their phone in a different language, because this does happen. I did record Nova Y90, and I know that it happened in there. So to explain this, when you have a SIM card from a different country, so as an example, me being in Poland, if I insert that Polish SIM card in here, it will also change the language of the phone to Polish, even though you can clearly see that it would have been set to English before. It completely disregards your settings that you have chosen throughout the setup process and just changes it without any actual question. So if you are one of those people that unluckily got their language changed, let's open up settings so you can see this gear icon right here. From there, scroll all the way down to System and Update, another gear icon. It's second from the bottom. Then you want to select Language and Input, which is a third option from the top. And then first option, Language and Region. And here you will find, usually when that happens, when the phone changes the language automatically, it removes all previous languages. So as you can see, I have two different ones. I have Spanish and Polish. That would basically be substituted by just a single language of the SIM card, and the two other options that are visible right here for me would not be even showing up because they get automatically dumped. So what you will want to do is select the blue text, which is add language, but obviously it's a separate field where you just tap on it and then find your desired language from here. One thing to mention, once you select your language, so I just select this, it pops up this window right here asking you if you want to change the language that you have selected, like right now. And you want to select change, which is obviously located on the right side. And that will then change the language to whatever the language you wish to, assuming it's English. Obviously then it's gonna change it to English. So anyway, that being said, this should probably help you out if you had a problem with that. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.